Hello, it's Mrs. Russo giving you a mini lesson on 5.2, Factors and Divisibility. So when given a number, are you able to identify the factors and tell whether or not it's divisible by that number? There are three strategies we've been using to be able to find if that number is divisible. The first strategy is to draw an array or a model like we did yesterday. So if the number is 12, and I want to know is 5 a factor of 12. Well, a way we can draw an array is if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and see, can I get 12? So right there, that's 10, and I will end up with 2 boxes left over. If it's not neatly packaged, then that 5 will not be a factor of 12. The next strategy is to actually use division. So does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? So if I am given the number 3, and I'm asking, okay, is 32 divisible by 3? Well, at first, it's looking fine. I have 2 left over. 3 times 0 is 0. I end up with the remainder of 2. So right now I know that 3 is not a factor of 32, or 32 is not divisible by 3. The next strategy is actually to list all the factor pairs. So in this, I'm trying to find out if 7 is a factor of 24 or divisible by 7. So I'd actually go through and do 1 times 24 equals 24. I would do 2 times 12 equals 24. 3 times 8 equals 24. And 4 times 6 equals 24. And I'd look through all of these and try to find, is 7 one of those factors? And the answer is no. 7 is not a factor of 24. Last but not least, probably the most helpful way to find out if a number is divisible is by using what they call divisibility rules. I actually took this picture straight from their binder, and they should have folded the corner of this page to kind of help them find it quicker. I also have a poster in the room to help with this as well. If the number is even, like let's say it's 82. Well, we haven't been working with any math facts that equal 82, but knowing that this is a 2 and it is even, it's going to be divisible by 2 somewhere. And then you can also divide to find out what the other factor is. Now, for it to be 3, you would have to have the sum, which is to add, of the digits divisible by 3. So if I still use 82, and I did 8 plus 2 equals 10, well, can anything times 3 equal 10? Or can 10 divided by 3 have no remainder? The answer is no. So 82 would not be divisible by 3. 5, if it ends in 0 or 5, such as 50 or 65, we would know right away. And then the tricky one for 6 is if my number, let's say, is 60... Let's say 63. No, that won't work actually. Let's say my number is 72. I might look at that and say, there is no way that can be divisible by 6. Well, it has to follow both the 2 and 3 rules. Is it even? Yes. Is it divisible by 3? Well, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So 72 actually is. 6 is a factor of 72. And last but not least, the 9 divisibility rule is very similar to the 3. So actually 72 would be divisible by 9 too, because 9 divided by 9 is 1. So that would work too. Now once you have a picture of this as well, it is in their binders. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.